guys, this is our warship, and so I'm controlling it using a joystick, and when I click the switch on joystick, then it emits laser beams and kills the alien warships. So as you can see, it has pretty cool controls and it is pretty fast. So as I'm moving in left and right and shooting, it gives good feedback. So basically for now there are endless enemies. If I miss them, they disappear and we attack. So there are plenty of enemies and we have to keep shooting. So just view the description, you will get the details. Thank you.